We are almost done with chapter 10. We are going to look at the last three sections of this chapter, and we're going to split it into three sections. So the first one, lesson 10.6, is about segment relationships in circles. Please plan on doing this during the first 2 days, okay? 3 at the most. It only has a few items in it. You start with your usual cumulative review, and then you have a discovery activity using GeoGebra. I will follow that up with a screencast showing some more examples or how to kind of memorize the theorems or formulas, and then some practice exercises before you actually dive into your assessment for that lesson. Now, the second piece is 10.7, which is about circles in the coordinate plane. Another quick review on how to find midpoints, how to find the distance between 2 points, which are very important in writing equations for circles. So that's what this lesson is all about. You're going to write down equations using a certain formula. And then I came across this video which uses circles for locating the epicenters of earthquake. You might want to read the question for the discussion before you actually play your video. So after watching the video, I do have some exercises later on, and then you will also have your assessment at the end of the lesson. Now, at the end of the week, hopefully by Friday, you guys are ready to take your chapter 10 test. Now, usually we do have a study guide, but since you have multiple attempts in your chapter test, so here I put 5 attempts total. I want you to go straight to your chapter test and use the other attempts to revise whatever items that you get wrong. Well, hopefully, you don't need to use up all those 5, chances. Yeah. So make sure that you review all the notes that you took for this chapter before you take your test on Friday. Okay. So if you need more time, just let me know. I will leave it open until, probably Saturday before I upload the new stuff for the following week. Alright, that's all for the week of May 11 through 15. I look forward to seeing your work online.